Clean Solar Solutions are an award-winning international solar maintenance company. One of the services we provide is lichen removal. Lichen grows when solar panels are not being cleaned enough. Lichen blooms create hotspots on your solar panels, which reduce output and increase fire risk. Lichen adheres to your solar panels strongly and is very difficult to remove. Lichen cannot be removed with standard solar panel cleaning methods. Clean Solar Solutions use a pre-treatment in order to remove lichen that has the approval of SolarWorld, JA Solar and Rene Solar. We carry out all forms of solar cleaning, repairs, maintenance and servicing. Please contact us for more information.